Alrighty, Jeff, here's your 347 small block Ford. The description is a combination consists of our ass cast heads on it. We have got Edelbrock manifold. Fuel management is Terminator X, great system. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Put the aviate pan on it for you. Go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,600, 395 foot-pounds torque, 426, peak horsepower 461, so rated 440, so it runs really good. That's the EFI. What you do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple of things. When you see your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card. It is full of technical information. In a crate will be this engine spec sheet, how they recommend reading it. Have a great day.